All right, guys. So I think for you, if you're going to be a nurse, it's really important to understand the anatomy and function of the liver, because the liver is the main site of drug metabolism, which is basically the liver is the organ that breaks down the drug. Okay, just so you know. All right, so let's talk about the gallbladder. Check it out. It's a structure that stores and concentrates bile. So if you have a look here, so the liver would be sitting up here, and so the hepatocytes will make the bile, and then it will travel down here and into the gallbladder, and it'll sit there until it's needed, and then when it's needed, it's going to go back out again and into your small intestine. Okay, so that's the function of the gallbladder. So let's spend a little bit of time thinking about what bile is. So bile, as you know, is made by the cells of the liver, which are called hepatocytes, and stored in the gallbladder. The bile, you will see when we look at digestion and absorption of lipids, that we use bile to break down lipids into its chemical components, okay? And the other thing that we know that bile does, it actually allows us to get rid of some waste products from the body. So I want you to, that's supposed to say add more information about these 2 points on this via this link. So I want you to have a look at that resource and just add a little bit more information there if you like. Okay, so let's have a look at the pancreas. Again, we've seen the pancreas before when we looked at the endocrine system, because remember, the pancreas makes hormones that go into your bloodstream. And which hormones were these? Okay, which 2 hormones are released by the pancreas into the blood? And they've given you some clues. Okay, so make sure you fill that in. It's a little hangman kind of scenario. 2 pancreas are released by 2 hormones are released by the pancreas into the blood. Hint, hint, one is called glucagon. Okay, and I'm sure you'll be able to work out the other one. And the pancreas, not only does it act like an endocrine organ, it also is involved in the digestive process, because the pancreas makes and puts into the small intestine a substance called pancreatic juice. Okay, so it makes it. Here we go. Now these green cells are the ones that make it, and it all drains into here, and then see the bile comes in through here too. See, they share the same road, and then in it goes into the small intestine. Now, pancreatic juice is made up of mostly water, bicarbonate ions, and enzymes. Now we're going to look at those enzymes later, but the enzymes that are in pancreatic juice are awesome because they break down carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. So they are involved in chemical digestion. That's right, because mechanical digestion was breaking food up into little pieces. Chemical digestion is breaking the food into molecules. And that's it. Happy days. This is going so swell.